Hello everyone, it's me Chappy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to check if your iPhone camera display battery is original or not. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone smartphone. So firstly just swipe down the control center and now just tap and hold on this power button. Now you can see slide to power off. Just switch off your iPhone smartphone and wait for 30 seconds, and now just press and hold both this volume up and down button together, and now connect your mobile charger with your iPhone. So once you see this Apple logo, just release your finger and wait for 2 seconds. So now finally you can see here the diagnostic and repair option is showing up. So now just tap on this continue. Now it will ask you to connect with your Wi-Fi internet connection, so just connect it firstly. Now just tap on this agree. Now just tap on this run diagnostics. So now you can see here tons of options. So you can see here first option is the mobile restoration inspector, audio output, display pixels, multi-touch, face ID, camera image quality. So we're gonna check the first one. Just tap on it, click on the start diagnostic. Now it will perform everything, so have patience, it might take some time. So you can see clearly mentioning approximately 1 to 2 minutes it might take. So finally you can see here the results. So you can see completed. Now you can see tons of information. So you can see here which are showing in the tick mark are all original, and here the software is showing something like a question mark. So since I'm using a beta version of my iOS, so it might be showing like that. So if you use a stable version, then this question mark won't come. Since it is a beta, so it might show you this way. So don't worry about this, it's completely original, the OS and battery conditions. So if I tap on it, so you may see here battery summary is unknown. That might indicate that the battery may not be the original. There is insufficient data to complete analysis. So you can try it again, or you can check the health and performance of the battery. So you can see more details here, and the rest you can see here below. So if you want to check the camera whether it's original or not, so you can see here authentication test. So you can see clearly testing pass verifies that the device has a genuine Apple cameras. My camera is genuine, that is the original. So you can see all the rest camera sensor tests, you can see all are working fine. So similarly you can tap on the other options to see whether it's genuine or not. So you can see all the tick marks, and now if you want to exit it, just tap on this tick mark and just move back, and now you can see exit diagnostics. Just tap on it. Now you can see here this will end your session with Apple support and restart the device. So just click on exit and it will restart your iPhone smartphone. So you can see it has restarted. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily check if your iPhone camera display battery is original or not very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.